Want to save more money without even trying and invest like a pro? With just a few taps on your phone, Fintech apps can transform your financial game. Stay tuned because I'm about to share the best apps to help you save, invest smarter, and grow your wealth faster. Number 1. What are Fintech apps? First things first, what exactly are Fintech apps? Fintech, short for financial technology, refers to apps and platforms designed to make managing your money easier, faster, and smarter. Think of them as your personal financial assistant, right in your pocket. From budgeting to investing, these apps are changing the way we handle our finances. They're designed for everyone, whether you're new to investing, a savings enthusiast, or someone who wants to get out of debt. Number 2. Top Fintech apps for saving money. Let's start with saving money. These apps make saving simple, automatic, and even fun. Mint. Mint is a budgeting powerhouse. It helps you track spending, set savings goals, and even reminds you when bills are due. Acorns. Acorns rounds up your purchases and automatically invests the spare change. It's saving and investing, without you even noticing. Digit. Digit uses AI to analyze your spending habits and moves small amounts into savings automatically. It's like magic. These apps make saving effortless, and every penny counts when it comes to building your financial future. Number 3. Best Fintech apps for smarter investing. Now, let's talk about investing smarter. Whether you're just starting or already building a portfolio, these apps have got you covered. Robinhood. Robinhood makes stock investing simple and free, perfect for beginners who want to get started without worrying about high fees. Betterment. Betterment is a robo-advisor that builds and manages your portfolio automatically, based on your goals. It's like having a financial advisor for a fraction of the cost. Wealthfront. Wealthfront offers smart automation for investing, retirement planning, and even tax optimization to help you grow your money faster. These apps take the guesswork out of investing, giving you the tools to grow your wealth, even if you're a total beginner. Number 4. Tips for maximizing Fintech apps. Here's how you can get the most out of these apps and make them work for you. Set clear goals. Define your financial goals, whether it's saving for a vacation, building an emergency fund, or investing for retirement. Goals keep you focused. Stay consistent. Consistency is key. Set up automatic savings or investments so you don't have to think about it. Track progress. Regularly check your progress and adjust your goals as needed. Seeing your money grow is the best motivation. With the right Fintech apps, saving money and investing smarter has never been easier. These tools are designed to help you take control of your finances, no matter your income or experience level. So, which of these apps are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tips on saving and investing smarter.